In this short video, I want to show you how to send both an email and an SMS from the same API from within your Python script. So without wasting your time, I want to show you a quick little demo here. We have a file called example.py that uses the Notifox API to send both an email and a text message. So let's run this, say Python 3 example.py, and that will send us both an email and an SMS. We'll see here, we just received this email that says hello from Notifox. And from the corner of my eye, I've also seen that we got a text message. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but it does say hello from Notifox. And so as you can see in just 17 lines, we were able to send ourselves both a text and an email. That's pretty powerful. That is because we were using Notifox. Obviously, in order to use Notifox, you will need to set up an account. I have a video that is linked in the description that will show you how to set up your account. This takes no more than a couple minutes. It's very easy. So first thing we need to do is we need to install the Notifox SDK. We can do that by doing pip3 install Notifox, or just regular pip in this case. That will install the latest version of Notifox, in this case 0.1.5. Then we need to actually import this. So we'll do import Notifox. And the second step is we need to create a client object that will allow us to communicate with the Notifox API. So we can say client is equal to notifox.notifox client. The Notifox client will automatically read from the Notifox API key environment variable. In order to obviously use this, we need to export the environment variable by doing Notifox API key is equal to, and then the API key that you've copied from the console. Then all that's left to do is use this client to send an alert. If we want to send an alert, we basically need to answer 3 questions. Who do we want to send this to? How do we want to send it to them? And what do we want to send them? The who is obviously answered by the audience. In this case, that is the me audience, and this one comes pre-configured when you first sign up. Then how we want to send it to them is basically the channel, right? Do we want to send it to them via email or SMS? In this case, I will say notifox.email. And then lastly, what do we want to send them is the alert itself. And so this can be anything. This can be a short sentence saying, hey, your database is full. This could be an entire error log. This could really be anything if you use your imagination. In this case, we're going to say hello from the Notifox tutorial. And at this point, we're ready to send this email. If we do python 3 main.py, we'll see that if we go back to our inbox here, and we refresh our inbox, that we have gotten this email. Now, what if we also want to send this as an SMS, right? We want to both send it as an email and as an SMS. We can simply create an iterator that iterates over both channels. For example, for channel in, and then we'll create an array with both the Notifox email and SMS types in there. So we'll do notifox.email, comma, notifox.sms. And then we can indent this. And instead of notifox.email, we'll say channel. One more improvement we can make to this is by catching the response and then printing that out. We're saying print, for example, actually, let's do channel was sent. And then we can also print to the print the response out. And if we execute this, we'll see that it says that the SMS and the email was sent. And we also see the responses here. So the cost, the amount of characters, the currency and whatnot, as well as the message ID. And I've already seen here the email come in. Let me grab it. Obviously, it's the same email as earlier, the same SMS as earlier, and same with our inbox here. We can see that email come in pretty swiftly. So that is a really easy, convenient, and cheap way to send SMS and email from within your Python script. If you have any questions about this video, feel free to comment down below. Or alternatively, you can join our Discord community by clicking the link in the description. We'll get you an invite. And I'll be happy to answer any questions there as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.